Today I'm tailored the N10 portable charger. So it comes with a cable, it's USB-A to USB-C. We got our instruction manual. And here's the charger. It looks like it comes with a 66% charge. So this is one of the neat things about it. We actually have 4 different cables on it to accommodate different devices. So we got a USB-A, we got a USB-C, we got Lightning, and we got micro USB. So even if you have an old device that uses micro USB, you can still use this power bank with it. What's kind of interesting is that these cables actually have a little texture pattern on them, which is something I don't normally see on a cable like that. On the top we got a couple of ports, so if we don't want to use these cables to plug in, we can actually plug directly into the power bank there. Got 2 USB-A ports, USB-C port. We got our power button there on the left. And then we got our ratings here on the right. One of the important things that we can see right here is that this is a 50,000 milliamp hour charger. Most power banks that I see are around 10,000 to 25,000, so I would consider this to be a very large power bank. So this phone uses USB-C, and we can see that that is charging. And more importantly, we can see that that is fast charging, so this is actually going to charge faster than a normal everyday power bank. And I'm just going to use an outlet charger, plug that into the top. And we can see that that is now charging. So overall, if you want to have a power bank with a whole lot of options on it and also an extremely large capacity, this is going to be an excellent option for that.